Ah, lovely. 6 foot and fully stretched out. Ah, beautiful. Welcome back to the channel. So today I've been building a bed frame. I'm just sort of mocking it up. Just a very simple frame, a bit of 2x2. I've done like 2 rectangles, exactly the same, top and bottom. Put some uprights in. Really simple. Just some screws going all the way through. And this is the furniture board I was on about from Wix's. This is 20 quid a length. One length is more than enough for all this. So I've screwed it in with these little blocks, nice and simple. So I'm trying to do this van on a budget. This wood I've had from a previous camper van, some leftover wood, so that ain't cost me nothing. That's cost me £20. I had loads of screws. I bought these blocks which were a couple of quid, so not expensive at all. And then on the top we've got these bits of plywood. Again, I'm just mocking it up so it's not how I want it at the moment, but just to give you an idea. So at the minute 2 of them sit on top, got the other one there. But at the minute this is about 1.5 meters and we need to make it around 6 foot. So what I had in mind is when you slide the other panel that way, you get about an extra 30 centimeters. So you can put the cushion on and then like a little extension of the cushion. So what I need to do now is I need to trim this end down a little bit. I want to put another bit of this 2x2 here, and then a little thinner bit that's raised up like that to hold it in, sort of like a channel, so you can push it that way. Then drill some like round holes there, so when you want to lift it up, it's nice and simple to lift up straight up that way. So I'm just going to get this back out and just measure up and cut some more wood up. But yeah, it's a nice fit. It's 70 centimeters wide, and once fully stretched out it'll be about 6 foot. So yeah, not bad at all. Okay, so I've cut these 2 panels. I've extended this part over, so that was the original frame. This is an extension, this is a little guide, so there's like a lip all the way around now, about 1 centimeter high, and this is 9mm plyboard. So we've got a board at the front, board at the back. That one I've put 2 holes in it, so you can get your finger in there, lift that one up when you want to access the storage, or to extend the bed out. There's another hole there, I'll show you what that does. So we can extend the bed out, and that adds about 30 centimeters. There'd be a little gap in the middle, but this is solid, this ain't going nowhere once the mattress is on there. I was thinking about putting hinges on, but with that one needing to go that way, it's just as easy just to lift these up anyway. So you got plenty of storage underneath there. So all I've got to do now is get some little metal L brackets and secure this to the floor. I'll just drill into the side of the frame, put a few around here and there, screw them into the floor, and that's that part done. I just need to get a little bit of this trim just to go on the corner there, just to tidy that up a bit. But that's the bed / seating area, woodwork done. And I'll put this other part on now, and I'll fit the cushions and I'll show you what it looks like. So when you open just this door, you can't really see anything. You look around the side, you've got a nice seating area. Open this up a bit. There you go. And these cushions are very comfortable. So if you're struggling for ideas what to use, buying sponge, buying fabric, that kind of thing, get caravan cushions. They are comfortable. If you wanted to, you could make a little extension, like put a bit of wood across there, do the same on like a kitchen unit this side. You could put a bit of wood in the middle, slide that over, that will drop down the back, and you've got like a small double bed. But for what I need, this is ideal. Once it's fully extended, it's around about 6 foot. With the door shut, I can line there, and I'm 6 foot tall. Let me just show you the other side. So you need to pull the seat down as far as it will go. Move the seat forward. Literally takes a minute to do. Pull this part out. Drop that down there. And there you go. Now you can move this wherever you like. There'll be a gap in the floor, so we can chuck that down there, don't matter. And we got a nice 6 foot single bed. Again, with a bit of jigging, you can make a little extension quite easy. Pull this further out and you've got that little bit to make a small double. I started taking this off again. I was just trying to think of different ways of doing it. This is where the kitchen side's going to go, but I'm going to put the plywood back up, and then a kitchen unit's going to be sticking out probably about 35 centimetres, which will still leave you 40 centimetres in between. I'm going to do a unit all the way down and have a worktop halfway across. But yeah, there you go. Nice cheap easy bed slash seating area on the cheap. Very comfortable, very practical, and easy to extend out or just use as a nice comfortable seating area. But yeah, some simple materials from Wix's. I had some wood knocking about. Got these cushions off Facebook Marketplace for free. It was all these as well. Whisper bar wasn't included, but yeah, good plan. So let me know what you think to it in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more videos on the micro camper build. You can also follow me on Instagram, the Meat Manifesto, and that will do for today. So thanks very much for watching. I'll see you all soon. Peace. Oh, lovely. Let's just have a minute. Lovely. 6 foot and fully stretched out. Beautiful.